Alright, here's a quick video on how to take these back quarter glass windows out. First off, to make it easier for me, I went ahead and took off these chrome trim pieces. There's 2 rivets inside here. Just drill those out. That chrome piece comes off. And you just pry up on these chrome pieces. They'll pop loose and then you can wiggle them back and forth. It'll pop off. You just do that down the line. There are steel clips here that they sit in. Those are just held in with pop rivets as well, so I went ahead and drilled those out, popped them right off. Then to take the rear windows out, you're going to take the inside window trim out, which looks like this. It's got screws in it all the way around it. Take all those screws out, it pops off. Then to actually take the window out, you're just going to take a putty knife, something like that, that's thin and flexible, get underneath it, go all the way around to make sure all the glue is broken loose. If it's like mine, which most of these are, it's all going to be crumbling to pieces anyway. Once you do that, you can get into one of these corners and just push and pop it out. Oh, this one's going to take a little bit more finagling. Now see, the other side popped right out, but because I wanted to show you guys this one, that's why it's being difficult. There we go. Rosie, did you find a bunch of garbage? Can you go put it in the trash can for me? Thank you. Just take it slow and easy. You get the window out. And there you are. Your window is out of the vehicle.